Looking for a softer, melt in your mouth treat this Makar Sankranti? Today we are making Til Mawa Rolls, a delicious twist on traditional til ladoos. These rolls are easy to bite, rich and perfect for the festive vibes. तिळगुळ घ्या आणि गोड गोड बोला. So let's roll into it. Add 1 cup sesame seeds or til seeds. Roast them for 4 minutes until they become golden brown. Add them to a mixer jar and blend into a slightly coarse powder. In the same pan, add 1.5 cup mawa made from full fat milk. Why soil another pot when one pan can do it all? Less scrubbing, more munching. To make this mawa at home, you have to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the milk and heat it until the mawa is formed. Cook for 5 minutes and make sure not to burn it. Add the crushed sesame seeds, 1 cup jaggery powder. Cook for 5 minutes until the jaggery is softened. Place an aluminium foil on the rolling board. Add 4 spoons of til mixture on it. Wet the hands with water and flatten the mixture on foil. Roll the mixture with rolling pin. Pull the foil from one end and make a tight roll. Close the aluminium foil from both ends. Repeat the process to make another roll. Makar Sankranti is all about welcoming sunny days, celebrating the harvest, and flying colorful kites high in the sky. It's so much fun to watch the sky full of kites and feel the festive vibes. But hey, let's keep it safe and say no to nylon manjas. It can hurt kids, animals, and even birds. Use safe threads and enjoy the festival with lots of joy and care. Back to our til rolls. You can make 2 rolls with this mixture. Keep it in the fridge and let it chill overnight. Next day, take the rolls out of the fridge and cut the ends. Garnish with some sesame seeds and fresh flowers if you want. And there you have it. See how soft and delicious these Til Mawa Rolls are? No more struggling to bite into hard til ladoos. If you enjoyed this easy and festive recipe, give it a like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more Sankranti specials. Wishing you a happy and sweet Makar Sankranti. Again, तिळगुळ घ्या आणि गोड गोड बोला.